What's up, people? Today we're going to do an unboxing and a little demonstration of the Noco Boost HD. This is the 2000 amps one. Apparently these are supposed to be remarkable and they can boost anything basically. Of course, I'm going to put that to the test because I'm a skeptic. I don't believe in that. Believing is seeing. Until I get some proof, I don't believe you, Mr. Noco. Anyways, in the box you get the Noco Boost as well as a couple of accessories here. There's two types of chargers: the car charger one and the regular USB Mini. Kind of surprised it's not a USB Type C, which is a bit weird. Now, in the instruction booklet, it says charge this device up to 12 volts. When I was looking at the plugs, there's not a lot of plugs that work the same way this one charges. It's a bit weird. Anyways, this is what you get. We're gonna go out and take a test of this device, see if it works. One thing to note, they recommend that you charge this device up to 14 hours. 12 to 14 hours. Guy was helping me get it. It said if you don't do that, there's a chance of the device not working properly and you won't get anything on your first boost. So do remember that. So today in Canada, it's about minus 28 degrees. It's frigid cold. When this device is on, all the lights light up, but once the leads are plugged in, it does this little rainbow effect kind of thing back and forth, and that lets you know it's ready to be boosted or ready to boost your vehicle. As you can see, I hooked it up. Now it's trying to give it a try. Wow, that actually worked. And if you thought I was joking about the temperature before, yeah, there it is. Minus 28. Anyways, that's the Noco Boost. It actually works. Yeah, I wish I bought this before because this tiny thing did a lot better than my big cat one. It's kind of unfortunate. So, quick tidbit about this device. I've only charged it once, and I've used it about 5 or 6 times, and it still has full juice. Like, it still boosts every time I plug it in. They say it can boost up to 40 times. I'm not sure if that's 40 times before it dies or what they're rating it, but so far I have not had any problems with it. To be honest, like the Noco Boost is really a remarkable product. I'm glad I bought it. I can't really find any major complaints besides the fact that the plastic pieces on it, they do chip off, so you can see the copper here. But besides that, I really don't have a problem with this product. It's great. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good one.